What's up YouTube, John Wheels, and today we're going to be unboxing a Harbor Freight angle grinder. Alright, so we have this DrillMaster 4.5-inch angle grinder from Harbor Freight, and we're going to be doing an unboxing. So first, let's open this thing up. Alright, so we have an owner's manual right here. Let's see, we have the handle right here. It is a corded unit. And then this is the actual grinder itself. Slide the plastic wrap off. Alright, there we go. There is the unit, and it looks pretty nice. I guess you just hold it like this. There is a little handle that you can put on right here. You just flip the switch on, I assume. You have to hold it on, and you just let go and it returns. That's pretty nice. It has a safety feature. Sorry, my workbench is kind of crowded. Let's put that handle on. Alright, so in there is the handle, and it comes with a tool, I guess, to put the blades on. I also bought some cutoff wheels and a grinding disc. And then it comes with these brushes for the motor in case the old brushes wear out, so you don't have to buy an entire new unit. So I'm gonna screw this handle on. There we go. Now I can just hold it like this with my other hand, hold the handle there, and cut and grind away. Overall, I would definitely recommend this angle grinder as a cheap but functional alternative to a nice DeWalt one. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment to tell me what you thought below.